from here, you dip your cotton swab in the nail polish remover or rubbing alcohol and just clean it. And inside, you can take it apart and clean it. And yeah.
Wake up every morning, by the night I count stacks.
Okay, while you're recording your fidget spinner, you'll do different things. Like right there, it's just normal. And I recorded again, and it did like this weird oval shape right there. It's like tilting to the side. It's super cool on camera. Did it a few times, then it just like, it looks like it's not even going fast, but like in reality, it's going really quick. So yeah, it's like super cool. You guys need to try it. I tried it with the lights off. I mean, not the lights off, but like the actual bright camera, and it looks super cool. You guys need to try it.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Over the passing days, I'm not just a pretty girl.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore.